Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can fix error MySQL shutdown unexpectedly in XAMPP. So what we need to do is open the Explorer in XAMPP in order to open the folder of XAMPP, and now we want to go to MySQL folder. Over here we have everything related to the MySQL, of course, and the first thing that we need to do is rename the data folder, and let's say I'm gonna add old to that name. Now we want to create a new folder and name it data. After that, we need to go to the backup. We want to copy everything and paste it into the data folder that we just created. Now we need to go back, go to old data folder, and then we want to copy every folder or every database that we want to keep. So for instance, I have these two that I want to keep. So we need to select them, as well as ibdata1 file, and then we need to copy them and paste them into data, like so. And of course we want to replace the file. Once we do that, we can go back to XAMPP and start MySQL. If you stop it and start one more time, as you can see, it's still running. There is no error anymore. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.